Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to get acorn in secret staycation step by step. Begin by equipping a light source and a small shovel, then move slowly toward clustered oak trees near the western docks. Check under wooden crates, behind planters, and inside hollow logs for subtle glints. Use stealth to avoid startling NPCs, and mark cleared spots on your map to prevent revisits. Map the most likely spawning zones by walking slowly and scanning high and low spots, especially where foliage meets man-made structures. Focus on edges of ponds, root cavities, and beneath awnings where items collect naturally. Keep an eye on shadowed nooks and return after an in-game time shift to catch alternate spawns. Place a small marker or note to track where you checked so you can efficiently cover all hotspots. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more tips. Quick recommendation. I found a book called The Simple Path to Wealth really shifts how you think about saving and smart choices, and it pairs oddly well with resource strategies here. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you pick it up, you might laugh at how budgeting mirrors in-game resource runs. Now let's get back to the video. Move calmly and use gentle taps with a stick or shovel to free acorns from crevices without crushing them, then scoop with a pouch or glove. If inventory is limited, drop non-essential items temporarily to make room, or stash extras in a nearby chest. Stay aware of patrol patterns and time your movements during quiet windows to minimize interruptions and maximize successful pickups.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.